Hello, in this video I am cooking for 5 menus, starting with the first one, raft of climbing water with a fried Thai mackerel. First, wash 100 grams of climbing water with water, then rinse the water out. Knock 3 eggs into the bowl and start mixing them together. Then, set the pan up, pour the oil and wait for the heat to come up. When the heat comes, pour the mixture into the pan and start frying it like a normal omelette. This will be different from the omelette in a way that the texture of the climbing water will be over the taste of omelette. When it is cooked, cut them into 4 quarters before serving. Next, fry the Thai mackerels after the broth is done. Use mild heat, since it is halfway cooked when we buy it from the store. When the skin becomes brown and gold, pick them up and that's the end of the first menu. Be sure to eat them together for the best taste. Second menu, stir-fried kale with minced pork. First, pour the oil into the pan and set it heat up. When the oil starts to have bubbles, throw the mashed garlic in. When the garlic sends out smell, send the minced pork in. You may add seasoning as you like. In this case, I add oyster sauce, sugar, pepper and soy sauce. After the pork is almost done, put the kale into the pan. Stir them good and wait for the kale to be shrink. When the kale shrink, quickly pour it out of the pan before it starts to harden. Third, king mackerel steak. Frying fish is not that hard. First, prepare the pan by pouring the oil in and set the heat up mildly. Prepare a piece of king mackerel steak. Spread salt over the fillet. When the oil is heated, put the fish fillet in and close the lid and wait for 7 minutes. Be careful not to spill any water into the pan or it may burst and hurt you. After 7 minutes, open the lid and flip the fillet to another side. Close the lid and wait for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, the fillet should be cooked and ready to be served. That's all. Very easy, huh? Fourth menu, stir-fried iceberg lettuce with salt. This is also a simple menu you can cook really fast and healthy. First, pour the oil into the pan and wait for the heat to be up high. Then, put an amount of iceberg lettuce you desire. Again, be careful with any drops of water. Put the salt right in after. Stir fry them well and wait for the iceberg lettuce to shrink. When the iceberg lettuce shrink, the dish is done. Last menu, stir-fried minced pork with garlic. First, pour the oil into the pan and set the heat up. When the oil starts to have bubble, put the mashed garlic into the pan. When the garlic becomes golden, send the minced pork in. Add oyster sauce, sugar, pepper, and soy sauce. Stir fry them well for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, the pork is done, then it is ready to be served. Thank you for watching this video.